I welcome the theme of the 2020 International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. Better knowledge for better care. It is a powerful and thoughtful message from the United Nations Office on Drugs and Crime. This year is an important milestone for the United Nations as it marks its 75th anniversary, and I congratulate the world body for tirelessly addressing global health concerns that the world has faced over the years. The Government of India views drug abuse and illicit trafficking as cause for serious concern. The Ministry of Health and Family Welfare is committed to provide affordable, accessible and evidence-based demand reduction and harm reduction services for those suffering from drug use related disorders. The Drug De-Addiction Program, supported by the Ministry, has established more than 6 central government institutions and 27 drug treatment clinics in various district hospitals of states in the country. Over the past 5 years, the Drug De-Addiction Program of India has evolved into a sophisticated platform for coordinating clinical, academic and training activities in the field of substance abuse. In keeping with the evidence, emphasis is given to outpatient treatment of drug addiction as well. Drug treatment clinics have been set up in various government healthcare facilities around the country to provide outpatient services to those in need for drug abuse related disorders, and since 2016 we have nearly doubled the number of drug treatment clinics in India. The National Survey on Extent and Pattern of Substance Abuse was successfully conducted last year, and we have now better understanding of the problem of drug abuse in the country. In keeping with this year's theme of better knowledge for better care, we understand that people suffering from drug abuse are especially vulnerable to the impact of COVID-19 pandemic. I am proud to say that even during the pandemic and associated lockdown, essential medical services have been provided to those suffering from substance use disorders. Raising awareness and improving knowledge of healthcare professionals regarding management of drug abuse related issues has been a key area of work for us. During the COVID-19 associated lockdown, we foresaw the need for creating audio-visual content on how to safely quit alcohol and tobacco. These videos have been well received, and the information has been widely viewed and shared on social media. The World No Tobacco Day too was successfully celebrated online, undeterred by the pandemic. I look forward to the World Drug Report 2020, which acts as a valuable reference document for all stakeholders in strengthening the global response to drug abuse and drug trafficking.